It is probably safe to say that this morning, Nathan Wade, the special prosecutor who's handling the Trump case in Georgia, was probably like, "What you talking about, Willis?" when it came to Fani Willis and whether or not she would make the decision to ask him to withdraw from the case. Well, he made it easy for her because, quite frankly, it was an easy decision. I mean, this is straight up like ethics class where you ask the question of the greater good. If the boat is sinking and one person needs to get off this boat, okay, then that one person gets off the boat so the boat doesn't sink. Very simple decision, and Wade made it simple for her by resigning because the judge ruling on their case about whether or not Wade and Willis had a conflict of interest because of their romantic relationship and whether or not, there was any type of financial interest in them dating. Well, the judge, he put out his 23-page decision and he gave her two choices. He said the district attorney may choose to step aside along with the whole of her office and refer the prosecution to the prosecuting attorney's counsel for reassignment, or Wade can withdraw, allowing the district attorney, the defendants, and the public to move forward without his presence. And again, Wade showed himself to be perhaps a good friend to Willis by just making it easy. He resigned. And Wade, in his letter to Willis, he said the reason he's resigning is in the interest of democracy and dedication to the American public and to move this case forward as quickly as possible. The district attorney, Willis, she accepted his resignation. And in her own letter to Wade, she praised him for his professionalism and dignity. And she said he showed patriotism, courage, and dedication to justice in the face of threats against himself and his family, as well as unjustified attacks in the media and in court on his reputation as a lawyer. Now, though McAvee's decision allowed Willis and her office to continue to prosecute the case, and again, Wade has resigned, so she's staying on the case, he did attack Willis for what he said was a tremendous lapse in judgment, and he criticized what he called the unprofessional manner of her testimony during her hearings last month, deciding whether or not to take her off this case. But still, he made it clear that Georgia law does not permit the finding of an actual conflict for simply making bad choices. He said it is the trial court's duty to confine itself to the relevant issues and applicable law properly brought before it. So again, Willis and Wade did not break any laws. Let's make that clear. They did not break any laws. They did not have a conflict of interest. But I guess, again, for the greater good, it was just best that Wade stepped down. It was too much distraction. And it does possibly raise questions in other aspects, like when it comes to the finances, because he is getting paid in this role. Well, that's my thoughts on this. I am Stacey Brewer, and this is H Blue's Word. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.